issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Benue County in the panhandle of Idaho, southeastern Kootenai County in the panhandle of Idaho, until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:51 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of St. Mary's, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. Mary's, Harrison, Parkline, Amita, St. Joe, and Shaktole. This is the NOAA Weather Radio Station West XL 86 in Spokane. The official